Hey everyone, welcome back to an episode of Create with Linda. So today is Wednesday, guys. Right? Wednesday? Yes, Wednesday. And I'm gonna coming on because I'm gonna be making dinner now. What I'm gonna be making is a little chopped meat stroganoff with mushrooms and onions and some noodles. Yes, let me do one thing. Alright guys, let's get going. We're gonna cut up some onion. I'm gonna use some garlic. Oh, my phone got ran over yesterday. I dropped it in the hospital parking lot. I didn't know it fell out and I couldn't find it, and my husband found it in the parking lot, smashed on the floor, on the ground, all destroyed. So yeah, there you go. That's Sophie. So now I'm looking for a new phone. Nightmare. A nightmare. Come on now. Alright, in the theme of what's going on today, I got heart. I'm all hearted out. I got my heart shirt on. I got my heart apron on. And now I'm gonna use a heart cutting board. Got my new jeans on. Let me see. I showed them on my haul, my Dollar Tree haul. Yeah. Cute, right, guys? So yeah, this is what's going on today. All right, so let's get going on this. I'm gonna cut up these onions and the mushrooms. Oh, the mushrooms don't have to be cut up because they're the cut up ones already. Yay. Perfection. Let's do the onion. Yeah, I was gonna make burgers, and then I was gonna make chicken cutlets, and I don't know, I'm just a little, I think it's just been a rough couple of days, you know. And I guess I'm just a little bit tired. So, yeah, I'll be alright though. Oh my God, that scared the crap out of me. Don't mind that, it's just an alarm, guys. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna do the minced onion. I don't feel like peeling onion right now. Oh! Oh my God. These onions are freaking strong.
Finish your Lego set.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I gotta get it done.
Why is Dad's shirt hanging up in there?
Cause it was, he washed it and it's not drying it.
Does it fit?
No, it fits him good, but he doesn't wanna dry it because it's gonna... Oh my God, this is a strong onion. Holy moly.
What are you making?
Like a, chopped meat with mushrooms and onions. Alright. Leaving the onions a little bit on the bigger side. Julie will just not eat the onion part. Killer. Killer, killer, killer. Yes, thinking of doing? Maybe I should put potatoes in this instead of noodles. My eyes are on fire. Let me think a minute. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna do potatoes. I'm gonna make them like home fried with the chutney. I just feel like doing something different.
Yeah, you should.
What?
Do something different.
Frank! Guys, I'm sorry about that. Come on, really? Alright guys, so I'm going to put olive oil in the pan. I'm going to put the onions in there and then I'm going to cut the potatoes up. Okay. Put the onions in. It was on and then I shut it, so now it has to get warm again. I should have let it sit another couple of minutes. But I'm going to put it on a high flame. Then I'm going to put the mushrooms in a minute. Let's wash these potatoes.
Nice job.
I'm a little dangerous.
Move.
I'm going to cut small pieces, guys. On it. I want them small, but I don't want them tiny, if you can get what I mean. Maybe I should show you guys what I'm doing. What is it, every 2 minutes or every 3 minutes, Frank? Huh? What is it, every 2 minutes or 3 minutes? Oh, that was quick. It just rang 5 minutes, 2 minutes ago. That was a quick 8 minutes. Why? They were just out red. They go out and then they want to come right back in. God darn it. Onions are cooking nicely. Yeah, I'm making them small because I don't want them, first of all, I don't want them, you know, I want them smaller than bite size, like bite size. And I want them to cook quickly. I don't want them to take forever to cook. You know what I mean? I think 2 potatoes are fine. So it was warm here today in upstate New York. It's like friggin' 60 degrees today. And so I have a you know, a short sleeve shirt on, obviously. Every little thing I do never seems enough for you. You don't have to do it again. I'm not like them. Everywhere you find the beauty. Love somebody else. It's gonna be me. Alright. Alright. Put the potatoes in. So let these cook for about 10 minutes. You get some butter. Oh, I gotta put the mushrooms in there too. I'm gonna put the mushrooms in the, some of them are kind of big. Should have cut them. I'm just trying to do a simple dinner tonight, guys. I'm just, like I said, I'm pooped. Let me get some butter. I'm gonna put like 2 tablespoons of butter in here. Okay, we'll let this cook up a little bit, and then I'm gonna put some minced garlic in it. I'll show you that in 1 second. All right, guys, so this is getting nice and sauteed. What I'm gonna do is add some, I'm gonna add a lot of minced garlic, obviously. That's all right, that's funny. Perfect for the whole dish. Ah, the smell is so good. Now, this is going to be like, I'm going to call it like a little goulash. It's going to have potatoes in it. It's going to have some frozen vegetables. It's going to have some noodles and some flavors that I'm just going to kind of go along, make up as I go along. So we're going to do pepper. I'm going to season this up first with salt and pepper. Okay. See the mushrooms, how they get nice and like toasty? Love that. Love that. That's where it is so good. The onions, I'll show you. Yummy. And let me check the potatoes and see. Oh, the potatoes doing great. Doing really good. I'm gonna open this up and see. These look a little frostbitten. Let me see the date on these. No, they're April 6th. April 2026. I think they're good, they're fine. So I'm going to put a little bit of the mixed veggies in here. There's the corn, the string beans, and the carrots. If you ever want to add a little bit of, veggies and stuff to your meals, to one-pot meals or to casseroles, this is really the best thing to buy is the mixed vegetables. I buy the ones without the lima beans because I don't like lima beans, and I don't think anybody else in my house likes lima beans. So this is good. It's got the little carrots in it, the little zest. It has corn and it has beans and peas. I'm gonna put the other piece in there. So what I'm going to do is get this cooked down a little bit. Well, it's doing it. I'm going to season this up with garlic powder and onion powder and stuff as well. And then I'm going to take this out, and then I'm going to cook the chop meat by itself with some garlic. Okay. Let me get something. I'm going to do something. Guys, I know this might look weird, but this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you. I'm going to put some water in a microwave-safe bowl, right? Now, I want to cook these noodles somewhat. But I don't want to have to boil them and, whatever. And I don't know how much sauce I'm going to have in the pan, to cook these noodles fully. So what I'm going to do is, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to stick these noodles in the microwave with some salt and some butter. I'm making all of these because my husband and Darren are going to be taking this to work, for their lunches. So I'm making a little bit of extra of this. Okay, I'm putting some salt in here. I'm not going to put any butter because I'll butter them after. So I'm just going to put these in the microwave for I don't know. I'll do 3 minutes, see what that does. 4 minutes. We'll see what that does. And if they're cooked you know, most of the way, then that'll be good. All right, Brody, you gotta move out of here now. You gotta get out of the kitchen, buddy. You can't be in here. All right. Let's put the light on just for a second. Guys, look at this. It looks so good. So it's gonna be like a goulash. I'm not sure. I might put a little red tomato sauce in it, and then put a little bit of heavy cream in it too. I'm not exactly sure yet. Let me put some garlic powder and onion powder in here first. I think this is garlic. No, that's onion. I was wrong.
See what we're looking at first.
That's garlic here. We're going to do some buttery steak seasoning. Woo! From the Kinder. You know, guys, my favorite seasoning right now. Give this a nice mix. Now, this you can put whatever you want in here. You know, any kind of vegetables you want. Make it your own. This is not going to do what I want it to do. This in here. That could have been a disaster. Alright. Guys, we're going to put a little bit of butter in here, not a lot, just a drop. And we'll put the chopped meat in. Frankie's not eating this, so that's why I could put mushrooms in it. We all eat mushrooms, but not Frank. So I'm cooking this on a really high heat. I want this to get nice and like caramelized. Seriously, Linda.
What do you have in there?
Why, you need something in there? Why?
What do you have in there?
Noodles, why?
Oh, do you need to go?
Oh, no, I'm going to check it in a minute, thanks. Alright guys, so the noodles just went off. I had them on for 4 minutes. So I'm going to check and see how done they are. I don't want to cook them too much because they're going to cook a little bit in this pan, so. Alright, I need to mix them a little bit because they're a little bit stuck together. Give them a little mixy mix. So who's rooting for the Yankees tonight? Oh God, I know sure. great job last night. Yeah, I think another like 3 minutes.
Can you shut that off?
Alright guys, let this cook. And what I'm gonna do is take a nice amount of the grease out after it cooks more. I want a little bit of that grease in there, but not a lot, just a little bit to flavor it. You know what I mean? So, and we'll start seasoning this up now. We're gonna put some of the fresh garlic, even though there's a lot of fresh garlic in that vegetable, in the mushrooms and stuff. I'll put a little bit in here. Some pepper. You gotta season everything as you go along, otherwise it's gonna taste like nothing. Okay. Let's do the Italian seasoning. We'll do some parsley.
You can cook the noodles in the microwave?
Yeah. Anything in the microwave. Some Italian seasoning, not too much. Don't want it to overpower it. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of the buttery steakhouse.
Are you gonna make the potato skins?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know about today, but...
No, not today.
Yeah, yeah.
Save them.
Yeah, save them.
You haven't made those in
I know in a
a
couple
long
of
time.
weeks. No, about a month probably.
That's a long time.
A long time for you, huh?
Huh?
It's a long time for you, huh?
I'm not very patient. Never have been, never will be.
Alright. So, I'm going to take the paper towel and I'm going to, like I said, when I do this, I'm going to shut it. This is a trick that I learned, I told you, from Julia Pachenko. And it's all over the internet, really. It's just a way to get the, to get all the grease with a paper towel instead of getting the strainer, and, you know, it takes a little bit longer, but definitely gonna need a couple more. Can somebody get me a roll of paper towels, please?
What?
Can you get me a roll of paper towels? Please.
Stay.
This actually is, this is $85.15. I usually buy $20.80, you know. I switch off, but I bought this chopped meat at Sam's, and that's all they had was the $85.15, which is delicious. I've had it before. Not dry at all. You can see all the juice that it gave off.
Was it 85% lean?
It's, yeah, 15% fat.
Fat, okay.
You could see that it has a lot of fat in it still. And that's the perfect amount, really. Because you want a little bit of fat. Otherwise it's going to be dry. I'm not about that life. I'm about the moisture. The moisture. Alright. Did I season this? I don't think I did. With garlic and onion powder? I might have. I don't know. I don't remember. I think I did the vegetables. Alright. If I did, it's not a big deal. Alright, so see guys, look how nice and moist that is. I'm gonna taste it. So yummy. Alright. I'm gonna put it back on. Or put it on low. You know, low, high. And put this in here. Mm. It's got potatoes, it's got mushrooms, it's got corn and carrots and string beans and onions. Yummy. Mm. And like I said, I just got to see what kind of flavor, what kind of sauce I'm going to put in here. I haven't figured it out yet. All right, guys, let's see. Let's put this on. Yeah, see, these noodles are perfect. They're perfect cooked, perfect amount. Like, see? What I'm gonna do is put a little bit of this noodle juice in, noodle starch water in here, because that will make for a sauce, because it'll thicken up, and whatever else I put in here, it'll thicken it up. So that's a good tip, guys. That use your pasta water to thicken up a sauce, or it could go either way. I know this sounds weird, but it could either loosen it or thicken it. If you want it to be thicker, you let it saute or boil a little bit longer. If you want it to thin a sauce out, you don't cook it as long. You thin it out and then you shut it, and that's how you get that thinness of the sauce. If you want it thicker, then you let it cook longer. That's just a rule of thumb. But not everybody knows that.
I didn't know that.
Husband didn't know that. I found out what I've been searching. I've been looking for someone. Alright. Let me get the sauce going. Alright, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of this Parmesan cheese in here. Nice amount. I'm looking for alright. We're going to put some heavy cream in it. Now, this looks like a lot, and it is, but like I said, it's going to be a dinner tonight. It's going to be lunches for for the men, and leftovers. Alright, we're going to taste it and see what it tastes like. And I'm going to see if it needs anything or if I want to do something different with it. I don't know. Sometimes I have a vision and it just doesn't work out. And tonight I feel like it's not working out. Of what I want. I don't know. Kind of feel like it's missing something. I don't know. I feel like it's missing something, guys. It's good. It's definitely better. A little more garlic powder, a little more onion powder. You see now, I have this water here. This is what I want to do. I want to add a little bit more water to it to make it a little bit more juicier. And that's why I keep my pasta water most of the time, because you can use it, you can utilize it as a sauce to add to sauce. Okay. Now, mind you, you should add a little bit more seasoning after you add the water, because you know it'll just tone it down a little bit. I think I'm gonna put some Italian seasoning, more Italian seasoning in it. You see that, guys? You see how that all that juice? You see how that made it thick? The water made it thick. I mean, there's heavy cream in here, yeah, but adding the water definitely brings it, you know, brings it up. You gotta taste your food, guys. You have to. That's really good. I like it. I think everybody's gonna like it. I really do. So I'm just gonna let this simmer on low here. Another couple of minutes. Let me taste the potato, make sure the potatoes, I tasted one potato, it was done. So let's just taste another. Perfect. Not overdone. Perfect. All right, guys, so here it is. It's delicious. Oh my God, you know I tasted it already. It's amazing. It's really, really good. It's like a goulash type of thing, stroganoff, I don't know. Whatever you want to call it. But it's delicious. And of course, applesauce with it. I have to have some applesauce. And this is it, guys. This is what's for dinner tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribers button, because when you subscribe, it really does help my channel grow, and I so appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the notification button with that bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload a new video. Like and share and comment down below. And that was Cooper snoring, yes. Thank you so much for coming into my home with me and creating, guys. I love all of you. There he is. Look at him. He's got the life. Yeah, he just, you know, living it up. All right, guys. Love yous. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.